Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve guys keyboard voice typing problem. Friends, you have your voice typing problem and friends you don't have your voice icon on your keyboard. So how to fix voice typing problem today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone's setting to solve keyboard voice typing problem. Out on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your oppo phone. Friends, click on oppo phone app management setting guys, click here. After on app management friends, click on app list setting, and when which app friends you want to clear cache and data, you can clear cache also from here. So guys, we will search here G and B. Friends, click on Gboard and friends click on storage, and friends first guys click on clear cache, second friends click on clear data and okay, and friends come back. Friends, now use your phone keyboard, and friends you can see voice typing problem will solve, and friends you can see voice icon will show on our keyboard and we can use it. Hello, good morning, good night. So friends, like that you can solve this problem and you can use it. And friends, after clear cache and clear data get this voice icon don't show on your keyboard. So friends, click on phone setting, click on search option, friends click on keyboard setting, voice tapping, and guys voice tapping is off from you. So friends, you can see icon will not show, we cannot use keyboard voice tapping. So friends, click on voice tapping, use voice tapping guys, we will enable it. After enable guys, now you can use keyboard setting. So like that friends, we can fix keyboard voice typing problem on our oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.